This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Completely updated and move-in ready, this solid CBS construction home offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and location. Just minutes from beautiful beaches, public boat ramps, a vibrant downtown area, and an abundance of restaurants and entertainment, you'll enjoy coastal living right at your doorstep. Recent upgrades give the home a fresh, modern feel, including luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, smooth ceilings, quartz countertops, a fully updated kitchen, and beautifully renovated bathrooms. A brand new roof and newer windows add peace of mind and long-term value. The functional layout makes this an ideal family home, while the fenced backyard provides space for kids, pets, or outdoor entertaining. With thoughtful updates inside and a prime location close to everything, this home is ready to be enjoyed from day one. For more information, review the details below.